Let us study about mutual fund. We have learned that a group of persons come together to form a company. They raise capital from the society by issuing shares. If company performs well, then the investors of the company get benefits in terms of dividend, bonus shares, and increase in the market value gives more profit on investments. Companies' market capitalization rises. All this totality helps for the progress of the country. In short, principle of sociology, together we can progress, works here. But every coin has two sides. Sometimes it might happen that instead of profit, an investor may incur a loss. Let us see how we can reduce this loss. Is there any way to reduce the risk in investment? Yes, to overcome this, more people invest in mutual funds. In mutual fund, many investors with common objectives give their money to the professional experts. They not only invest in one type of share but also invest in various other schemes. As a result, investment is diversified, which reduces the risk factor, and total dividend or profit is divided equally among the investors. How to invest in mutual fund? What is the rate of return? What is the locking period? What are the different types of investment schemes? All these questions could be answered by a financial advisor or financial planner. So before investment, you should know all these things. You may have heard or read this sentence that investments in mutual funds are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully before investing. Interpret the meaning correctly. Sometimes, instead of profit, investment in mutual fund might give loss, which investors have to bear. Mutual fund is a professionally managed investment scheme, usually run by an AMC, that is asset management company. They invest the money in given they invest the money given by investors in different schemes. Equity fund, that is in shares, debt funds in debentures, bonds, balanced funds as per the investor's choice. As we get shares for the investment in market, we get units when we invest in mutual fund. The market value of a unit is called NAV, that is net asset value. NAV of one unit into number of units is the total fund value. Note is given: as the market value of the share changes frequently, NAV of a unit also changes, net asset value. One can redeem the units when needed. Investment in FDs of nationalized bank or Indian Postal Services are more secured and safe in comparison with other investments, but the rate of return is low. It hardly helps to overcome the rate of inflation. One must remember always that if the money is invested wisely, it generates more money. For this, the knowledge of financial planning is of great help. Investments in shares and mutual funds should be made carefully because risk and returns always go hand in hand. So, habit of regular and deep study is the only key for success.